GripTight Isolation Plug. Isolate, monitor, and test weld connections with one tool. To pressure test the weld connection, place the GripTight Isolation Plug inside the pipe and position the plug so the seals straddle the weld area you are testing. Use the star pattern sequence to incrementally tighten the hex nuts to remove any slack from the parts. Repeat the star pattern sequence with a torque wrench until the appropriate torque specification for the plug size has been applied. The GripTight Isolation Plug is now successfully installed. GripTight Isolation Plugs integrate double block and bleed functionality with GripTight Gripper technology, ensuring greater operational safety and minimizing risk of blowouts due to unexpected upstream pressure in the line. Noted in ASME PCC 2 Article 503 as a Type 4 mechanical testing device, GripTight Isolation Plugs have been independently evaluated and tested by TÜV Rheinland. For more information, visit cw-estgroup.com/GTISO.